Before starting Action Coach, I was tired. My business was barely going anywhere. I was falling through cracks and making mistakes left, right, and center. I wasn't making a profit. Everything in my company was slowly going down, and the exhaustion level from doing absolutely everything in the company was taking toll on my mental health and my family and my friends. I didn't know what I needed. I was reading books that were super thick, just trying to find an answer for just about anything. I noticed I wasn't making a lot of profit, but I didn't really know why or even how to fix it. I noticed that there wasn't a lot of direction within the company or even how to manage people, and I didn't know what to do about it. So I was just looking for any tidbits of information to kind of help myself. The thing I'm most proud of, I guess, is learning my numbers, going through and making a fairly large spreadsheet, learning what it means to have an A grade customer and actually firing customers, bringing in people that actually help my bottom line and help me feel confident in what I actually am giving people. Making a profit 80% higher in 1 month of figuring out my spreadsheet. Say if you feel alone or like you don't have answers within yourself and you're just feeling empty and looking for someone, join Action Coach. A lot of people will be here to support you. You're 100% not alone. I felt very, very alone. And now I learned I have a whole bunch of people behind me and that I'm not special. Businesses that are new and old, and we all have the same type of problems.